Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer BUSD from Tangem Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your BUSD seamlessly, you're in the right place. This guide is straightforward, designed for beginners, and we'll cover everything step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Bitmart account ready. Also, double-check that you have some BUSD in your Tangem Wallet. Nothing worse than starting a transfer with an empty balance. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select BUSD from your wallet dashboard. You'll see your current balance. Great job holding on to that. Step 2. Tap on the BUSD asset to open its details. Look for the Send or Transfer button and click it. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Bitmart account on their website or app. Go to your Deposit section, select BUSD, and copy the provided wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Paste the Bitmart wallet address into the recipient field in your Tangem wallet. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer, and don't forget to check for any network fees. Tangem uses the BEP20 network for BUSD, so ensure that's selected. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything one last time. After you confirm, the transfer should process quickly, usually within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Bitmart and check your account balance to confirm the BUSD has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, stay updated on any new requirements for transfers. That's it for this guide. You've now mastered transferring BUSD from Tangem to Bitmart. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.